Hey man, say man, it's your boy Tim and I'm coming to you live from Houston, Texas, man. Uh yeah, I was pretty depressed after taking some pretty bad losses. Well, I really wasn't even all that depressed. It was more so just not wanting to recap these big fat L's because I was so close, bro. I was at 15,500. All I needed was $250 more to get my payout on the 22nd, and the payout would have been $1,000. But instead, I ended up blowing my whole account trying to make that date in 1 week. So I was just trading a bunch of stuff. So let's get into the chart, man. So on the 18th, I'm in the wrong one. So on the 18th on Euro USD, I had actually drew it out for myself. So on the 18th at around market open, well, actually a little bit after market open, we finally got some market structure break to the downside at 2 o'clock a.m. That's when the market opens. And so I was like, all right, we got to break down a market structure after hitting the consequent encroachment of the weekly fair value gap. Consequent encroachment just means 50% mark of the wick of the top part, since it's a bearish fair value gap or whatever. But yeah, I tried to go short right around here, around 545, and I don't think I let it run all the way. Yeah, I didn't let it run all the way. Where is that? The 18th? Yeah, I didn't even. Yeah, that was a good stop loss setting it early because I was about to get fucking clapped. Still got clapped anyways though. Oh shit. So once I saw it break up to the upside, I was like, oh shit. I guess we not about to respect the consequent encroachment of the weekly fair value gap, but it actually went up into it anyways. Well, okay, so I was trying to get long at the touch of this thing of this inverted fair value gap, but I really shouldn't have been doing that. We was at the consequent encroachment of the weekly fair value gap. I should have been trying to look for some shorts, or just like just not trying to long because like it wasn't gonna be with me. But I was under the assumption that we was still bullish, and we was so I was just like, all right, I wanna trade with the trend. But yeah, that didn't work. So what happened was, yeah, I tried to long it, and I tried to long it on twice the size, and I took twice the L. And so that day I couldn't even trade New York session, so I just slept all the way through New York session. Well, like through the whole, all of that. I slept through all of it. So I took a fat L there, and then the next day, I remember this one. It was GBP USD, and they fucked over me with this one, man. Yeah, I think this is it right here. Actually, no, it's not. But yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good for GBP USD. But yeah, this actually is it though. So what I was trying to do was I was like all right. So we just had this major dump or whatever, and I wanted to at least long up into the fair value gap there. See, I still got an alert set on that. So what I did was I loaned at like 465, and 465 it looked all good on paper, man, and I was gonna catch me 200 points. Well, I actually planned on like getting out like around here or whatever. But yeah, man, I like got in like at these candles, and then I got stopped out because my stop loss was below that. So the thing that they tell you to do is for CPI you gotta wait 30 minutes to start trading, and so I was like, boom, at the close of the 30-minute candle, I was like, well, actually that doesn't look right, because the close of that, I think maybe I entered early on it, I don't know. But yeah, I might have was looking at it on the 1 minute, to be honest. That might make more sense. Let's see. But I mean, y'all get it, man. I tried to long it. I went against the trend, but I mean, for CPI, the first move is usually the wrong move. Well, a false move, and you usually end up getting a lot of that initial move back. But I don't know. Maybe that's just how high impact news works for indexes. So yeah, where's 230 at? Yeah, see 230. Yeah, that's what I did. I entered on the 1 minute as soon as 230 happened, and then we started going down. Ran my stop, and then we went up. I was like, bruh, be fucking for real. And I was in on heavy lots too, man. I should have been a little bit more patient. I was a little bit too antsy. And even if I would have waited, like there was a fair value gap right here. It done got filled up now though. This is the first fair value gap. It came down to that first one, and then went up about a good 150 points. And even that would have been great. That would have been fucking great. But you know, this is all stuff you learn with experience and stuff, man. And I ain't tripping too much off of it. It was a major setback though, but hey, Funded Next actually just had just opened up a 40% discount. And I bought 3 more accounts, so I paid $60 for all of these, $180 total for $45,000. And so what happened last time was I kept posting all of the same trades on the same account, trying to get them all to go at the same time. But this time around, I actually realized that Funded Next has unlimited retakes. So if I'm just in profit on the account for phase 1, I get a retake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go account by account, trying to do it instead of trying to do everything all at the same time and then fucking up everything all at the same time. Cause that's what I did last time when they had the discount, but I'm not gonna do that this time. This time I'm gonna trade one account 1 week and then trade the other account another week, and I'm gonna just rotate them like that. Hopefully it works out well. I was really about to take a break from trading. I was about to like just find a demo account somewhere and just do that. But I'm actually a break from trading with accounts, with funded accounts or whatever. But I'm actually in the XRP short right now, man. I'm trading crypto. Don't really like trading crypto. I actually started this account with $800 and I lost half of that in one trade. I was trying to be bullish, man, but the dollar want to keep pumping, so it didn't go with me. Once I got stopped out, I was like, all right, I'm definitely about to go short because I was definitely about to go short because it closed below the god damn. It closed below the 50% of the consequent. Well, they actually call that the mean threshold. I think that's what they call it for order blocks. So this is the order block that I was about to use. So from here, the top of this, I'm at the bottom to the top. So look, the first candle in there, it closed below. So you already knew that it was on demon time. So I was like, damn. But I still tried to long. No, I had longed it like way up here. I think something like that. Cause my alert went off. Actually, I was actually kind of down here. But I should have waited for that first candle close, and that would have told me not to fucking short it. I meant not to long it. And we could have been eating real good off of this one. But yeah, once I got stopped out on this candle, I believe. Yeah, I got stopped out on that candle, I think. Yeah. because I put my stop below this one, and I was like, all right, so we done set lower lows, we done got a bearish fair value gap all inside of the bullish what was this? This is a order block. Yeah, and I really shouldn't have used this order block anyways, because like it wasn't like it was at like some real type of support or anything. Like like a better order block that would have worked would have been something like something right here. See, like this looks like support, and you got a down candle. Oh, all of this down candle before an up move that broke market structure. It came back down in here, didn't break that, and them boys are eating good off of that, great off of that. But that's that. It's about to come into an area where I want to think about taking partial profits. That's another part of my trading. That's another weakness I have with my trading. I don't be taking partials. Yeah, I wasn't even supposed to do all this, but yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'm gonna make another one for the next trading day that I missed, cause this was for the 18th, and I need to do the 19th and the 20th. Well, I gotta do the whole rest of that week. Yeah, 19th, 20th, and the 21st, cause I blew it on the 21st, I think. But yeah.